Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please, please, please don't forget to show me love. Support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. All the names down the description box. Blend, blend, blend. Blend and blend. Next, I'm using a darker concealer to contour my nose, to snatch the nose. Contour the nose. I'm using a brush to blend the concealer. Then I'm using my beauty blender to blend everything so that there won't be any harsh line. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Pressed powder to set my face. Set my face. Pressed powder for the face. Next, I'm using a setting powder to bake my highlights. To bake, 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 bake. Setting powder to bake under my eye. Next, I'm using a brush to clean up the nose contour, to define the nose contour, to snatch it, to define it more, to define the contour. Next, I'm using a bronzer to contour my cheek and bronze my cheek and my forehead. Bronzer to bronze the cheek and the forehead. Next is brows. Brows time. Next, Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up my brows and to define the brows better, more or better, to define the brows. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base or as my eyeshadow primer for my eyes. Concealer as eyeshadow primer. Concealer as eyeshadow primer. Clean the brows up. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. Next is eyeshadow for the eyes. First, I'm using this pink, light pink shade for my crease. Light pink shade for the crease as my transition color. Light pink all over the crease. This pink is pretty. Next, I'm using this bright pink for my crease too, on top of the light pink. I'm using this bright one to brighten that crease up. This bright pink on top to brighten the crease. Today is pink day. Pink, pink, pink. Next, I'm using a darker brown shade for my outer crease, and I'm bringing it a little bit to the inner crease to define my crease. Just a little to the inner crease to define it. Next, I'm using a concealer to cut the crease, a little cut crease, just a little cut crease for my eyelid, a little cut crease. Next, I'm using that bright pink. First, I'm adding a little bit of that bright pink on my outer crease. First, a little bit of that bright pink. I want to see it more because it's pretty. Next, for my lid, I'm using this frosty light pink, kind of like light purple or light pink shade. Light purple, a frosty shade for my eyelid. I'm using my hand because hand is better for me. Next, I'm using the same pink shade I use for my crease under my lash line. Next, I'm using a black kajal for my waterline. Kajal for my waterline, adding a little bit of that pink to blend the kajal. Next is eyeliner with a little itty bitty little wing. Next is mascara. Mascara for the eyes. Mascara for the eyes. Time to clean up the powder. And all the eyeshadow fallouts. Clean it up. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend my face, to smooth it in. Blend and smoothen the face. Blend everything together and smoothen it. Next is blush time. Blush palette from Tara Makeup to blush up the cheek. Blush the cheek up. Blush, blush, blush. Add a little bit color, more color to the cheek. Next is highlighter. To highlight the face. Highlighter to highlight the face. Next is a little mascara for the lower lash line. Little mascara for the lower lash. Next is lips. First, I'm lining my lips with a liquid matte lip stain from Miss Rose in the shade number 10. To line the lips. Next is, what's the name of the shade? Lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. I've forgotten the name. All the names will be listed down in the description box below. The names of the products will be listed down in the description box below. I'm using another shade of the lipstick. The other one was not coming out the way I wanted, so I had another shade to get the perfect color I want. So I used 2 lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, please, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for this. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video. I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you.